Service warning reset on a Mitsubishi Outlander. This is a 2022 model, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to reset that now. Okay, so first thing, this service hasn't triggered over yet, but it is the 15,000k service, so it has been done and I'm about to reset it. What you need to do for that is on the push button, flick on the ignition, so you have the ignition on there. Come to the steering wheel and you have these options, right and left arrows, and you will be toggling through those. So ignition on, down to here, and I've been pressing the right arrow first. And if you look up at this screen here, you have the options. I'm selecting settings. Then in settings, we're going to be scrolling down until we get to maintenance. And then you have the service and tires, service, scroll down again, so roll down on the button, flick OK, confirm reset, yes, and then it's reverted back. So flick the vehicle on. And that is it. That is how you reset the service warning on a 2022 Mitsubishi Outlander. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it useful and informative. If you did, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.